Alright, this is example number 11, being asked to factor 2x squared minus 9x minus 5. These are a little different because now um, your leading coefficient, or what they call the value of a, is greater than 1. Step number 1 still the same. Multiply a and c. A times c is negative 10 because 2 times 5 is negative 10. Step number 2 is you write down all the factors of negative 10, or just 10 in this case. I'll come back to the negative part later on. There's only 2. Help if I write down the wrong numbers. Now we go. The factors of 10 are 1 and 10, and 2 and 5. Alright, there aren't any more factors of that. Step number 3 is you have to figure out which of these two numbers, two sets of numbers, will add up to negative 9, and you have to figure out what the plus and the minus signs are, the positive and negatives. So something has to equal negative 9. Can't be 2 and 5. 2 and 5 will either give you, no matter how you add 2 and 5, you will never get a negative 9. Get lots of numbers, but you never get negative 9. So it can't be 2 and 5. But, excuse me, 1 and 10 will work. But how does the 1 and 10 have to be? Which one has to be positive? Which one has to be negative? Well, if I do negative 1 plus 10, I'll get positive 9. I don't want that. But if I do, I'm going to get rid of that. If I do 1 plus negative 10, if you're unsure of that, check it with the calculator. But 1 plus negative 10, 1 plus negative 10 is indeed negative 9, or 1 and negative 10. These are really the same things. If a 1 and a negative 10. I finally got that right. So those are my two numbers, 1 and negative 10. Step 4 is making your fractions, and it's a over your first number 3, and the second one is a over the second number 3. Alright, the value of a is 2. We know that from here. The value of my first number 3 is 1. The value of a for the second fraction is still number 2. And the second number 3 is negative 10. It's got to reduce it. 2 over 1 is 2 over 1. 2 over negative 10 reduces to 1 over negative 5. Make sure that you keep the negative in the bottom spot where it is, and those are my two fractions. Last step is doing the the multiplication. So, or the two sets of binomials. It's going to be 2x plus 1. And the second one is going to be 1x minus 5. So if you have to factor 2x squared minus 9x minus 5, you do all the work, you wind up getting 2x plus 1 times 1x minus 5.